You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you're new here, and today's video we have lots of house projects to get done. I'll walk you guys through exactly all the things that we're going to get done today. I know it's been a while since I've showed my face on camera, so I wanted to get on here and say hi. If you're new, go ahead and consider subscribing. I post content on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, all the things. So if you need any type of motivation to get things done around the house, you will definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be part of my YouTube community. So first things first, I want to walk you guys through all the things that I want to get done, and I actually made a small checklist on my phone. So if you guys have been around for a while, you'll notice that in my laundry room on the left hand side we have where we hang like our broom and our duster and things like that. But as soon as you walk in, you sort of see it on the left hand side, and I want to put it behind the laundry room door. And then I also want to clean both bathrooms. It has been a while since I've like done both bathrooms top to bottom, to where I'm like deep cleaning the shower, the toilet, and the sink all at the same time. So we want to get both of those done today, and the reason why is because I'm going to decorate them. So I purchased some artwork from Marshall's and also Target, and I just want to elevate the bathrooms in regards to decorating, but I want to clean them in order to decorate them. So I purchased these plants from Lowe's, and then I've had this hanging planter for a while. So what I want to do is I want to put it above my nightstand in the bedroom. So I bought some burlap string to hang them above my nightstand. So I think that would be really cute. So I'm excited to take you guys along today, and let's get started. So the items that I'll be using today to clean the sink would be my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and then to clean the tub, I found out that the Dawn Power Wash works the best in regards to the tub. So those are pretty much the only two things I'm using, and then I'm also going to use a glass cleaner to clean the mirror. And this right here is the glass cleaner that I use, and I just purchased this from Target. It works really, really good. So I would definitely recommend this one. 10 out of 10.
You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Another thing I always use is I always use paper towels to wipe the toilet down. I don't know, it just seems a little bit more sanitary to me. And then I just use my Mrs. Meyer's. What I used to clean the toilet was Lime Away, and I just purchased this from Dollar Tree. And then I also use my magic wand, and I just got that from Target, and it comes like with those refillable, so you just throw it away after you clean the toilet bowl.
No matter what I say, it's black or white, not gray. Gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure. You set the weather, every cloud, every rain. You're above and beyond. Oh, every tune is your song. Doesn't matter what I say, there is no gotta stay loose when next to you, for sure, or else you get bruised. There's no pick and choose, for sure. Oh, don't shift, don't change. Keep driving me crazy.
Okay, so this is the frame that I purchased from Marshall's. We're gonna go ahead and hang it up above the toilet. But I'm gonna honestly use command strips just because it's a lot easier than putting screws or nails in the walls. So we're gonna, fingers crossed, that the command strips will actually hold it up, but I'm pretty sure it will. The last frame that I had up there, the command strips held it well, so we'll see.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out.
We have the frame that I purchased from Marshall's up here, and then I thought this was really cute. I think these are eucalyptus fake plants, and I purchased that from Marshall's as well. It honestly looks really, really real. That's one reason why I really loved it. On the sink, we keep it very simple. I did purchase this freshener. Don't know if I'll be able to tolerate it. I'm very sensitive to smell, so we'll see how it does. And then, of course, soap, and then also have lotion up here. And then this is Eleni's container of hair ties. It's just easier to keep it up top. And then I just have this, honestly, it's from Valentine's Day, but I thought the black and white sort of goes with the theme in here. And so I was thinking I have this pink one just to make it a little bit, you know, just to add a little bit of color. But looking at it now, I might need to just go with like black and white in regards to the towel. But for now, we're just gonna leave it up. And then I purchased this rug from Marshall's as well. So we're gonna take a break from the bathrooms and we're gonna go do the laundry room. So let's see how that turns out. Sorry that the dryer is going, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But these are the hooks that I purchased from Target. They are the Command brand, so they're supposed to be damage-free hanging. It says hold strong, so they're supposed to hang up to 4 pounds. So we'll see. I think it'll be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these up, and then maybe wait a few minutes before hanging the actual items.
Fading into the background, I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah,
So my camera's about to die. So definitely love how clean it looks back here, and just sort of hide it with the door. And then definitely love how much wider and neater this looks. So of course without the tripod, but all I'll have to do though is I'll definitely have to sand, like take those off, sand it down, and then repaint it, but that's for another day. Overall, I definitely love the way it looks. Like I like how much cleaner it looks when I walk past or come through the door. So I'm glad I moved it over to the other side. So we're about to head in the master bathroom, and I want to deep clean this bathroom as well, and then of course we'll decorate after that. I went ahead and put up the screws and put them in place for the picture, so I'm not going to show that on camera, but we're going to wipe down the sinks, we're going to deep clean the toilet, deep clean the shower. So and then after we do that, after we decorate, then I want to hang that plant, and then we will be done. Didn't really have the energy today, but I'm glad I'm getting everything done. So far so good. All right, let's get going. Also want to mention one thing that I always do, that I always try to remind people when you're cleaning like your toilet area, is to make sure to wipe like the floor, because a lot of the times the mop doesn't get everything. So I just sort of use, after I wipe the bottom of the toilet, I'll sort of fold the towel and then I'll wipe it down. So you'll see pretty much how bad it is. So definitely recommend that. Okay, so in order for y'all to hear me, I turned the fan off, so that's why it got a little dark in here. But I definitely love how it turned out. So I purchased this from Target. It was the Studio McGee line, and it was actually 30% off, so it was only $35. I thought that was a really good steal. And then over here, I sort of changed it around. We'll see how I like it. Leah really likes the strong smelling scents, so she can keep that over there. And then I'll put our toothbrushes and toothpaste in the corner. And then I like the color in this fur grass or pampas grass, whatever you call it. I just feel like it goes together with the outline of this frame. So that's why I want to keep, that's why I wanted to keep it, because I didn't really like it in this corner. So I was like, let me see if I can rearrange some things to keep that plant. So definitely love how this look. And then we just keep our dental floss in there, and then I'll have my own soap dish. And I definitely needed to get Lee one, but for now, since that's foam, we'll just leave it as is. But I definitely love the way it turned out. For this towel, I just keep it just because it's Pride Month, but normally I'll just have like a white or a beige towel right there. So just for now, but definitely love how both bathrooms turned out today. So the next thing we're going to work on is the hanging plant, and I'm hoping that this won't take me about no more than 10 minutes. But I'm just gonna hang it above, and then I'm just gonna put burlap string to make it a little bit longer. So I'm thinking about right here is where I'll stop. So we'll see how it goes.
Cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's...
So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done. The next video that will be out will most likely be my traditional clean with me's, but I just wanted to change it up and bring you guys along on this cleaning vlog slash decorating. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you definitely like this style, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely talk more into the camera versus doing voiceovers. Fun fact, I am actually really shy in front of the camera, so I do mostly voiceovers just because of that. But I think if I practice a little bit more with that, I'll definitely get used to it. So just let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves.